Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching a different question and answer in this question and answer series by Class Theta. So today's question which we'll be discussing is what determines the value of an item. So option A, the amount of good that are produced. Option B, the capital required to build the factory. Option C, the unlimited wants of the customer. Option D, the resources consumed in production. So the answer of the question is the value of an item is primarily determined by the unlimited wants of the customer. In an economic context, the value of subjective is driven by the preference, need and desire of consumer. It is determined by the level and the demand for the item and the willingness of consumers to pay a certain price for it. So if a large number of chromosomes have a strong desire for a particular item that are willing to pay a higher price to obtain it, and the item value will increase in the market. So that's the answer. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll be back as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question, bye bye.